In this video, you will learn how to create a quiz activity in Edvento. First, log in to your Edvento account. From your teacher dashboard, click the Create New Activity button. This will open the Activities page. Scroll down to the Individual Activities section. Find the quiz activity. Move your mouse over the activity card to flip it. Then click Create Game. A pop-up window will appear. Enter your activity name. For example, Diffusion Quiz. Next, choose the activity visibility. You can make it public or private. In this example, I will keep it private. Then click Create Activity. The Quiz Activity Editor will now open. Before adding any questions, let's customize the background. From the navigation bar, click the theme icon. A gallery of background images will appear. Choose the background you like. Your new background will be applied immediately. Now scroll down to the Add Question section. Here, you can create questions manually. First, choose a question type. You can select multiple choice, true or false, or fill in the blank. The question editor changes automatically based on your selection. Enter your question. Then enter the answer options if required. You can also upload an image as the question. You can even upload images as the answer options. When your question is ready, click Save Question. Repeat the same process for the remaining questions. However, if you have many questions to create, there is a much faster way. Edvento includes an AI Activity Creation Agent. Click the AI Activity Creation Agent button in the bottom right corner of the screen. The Edvento Activity Creation Center will open. Here, you can provide your learning objectives or your own questions. Learning objectives do not need to be complicated. Simply tell the AI what you want your students to learn. In this example, I will use the IGCSE diffusion topic. I will paste my learning objectives into the AI agent. The AI will analyze the learning objectives and any uploaded reference files. It will then ask which type of activity you want to create. Since we are creating a quiz activity, I will ask it to generate quiz questions. The AI first creates the multiple choice questions. Each question includes the correct answer. Take a moment to review the questions. If you are happy with them, simply tell the AI to continue. Next, it creates the true or false questions. Review them as well. Then, tell the AI to continue once again. Finally, the AI creates the fill-in-the-blank questions. You are always in control. If you only need one question type, simply tell the AI. For example, you can ask it to generate only multiple choice questions, or only true or false questions. Once all of the questions are ready, ask the AI to combine them into a single quiz. The AI will prepare a ready-to-use CSV file for Edvento. Please note that generating the CSV file may take a little time. This process includes formatting the questions and converting mathematical expressions into LaTeX when needed. Please be patient while the file is being prepared. When the CSV file is ready, Download it to your computer. Now return to the quiz activity editor. From the navigation bar, click Import. Then click Import Data. Click the Upload area. Or simply drag and drop your CSV file into the window. Select your downloaded CSV file. Then click Start Import. Within a few seconds, all of your questions will be imported into your activity. Open a few questions to review them. If necessary, make any final edits. When everything looks correct, click Save from the navigation bar. Your quiz activity is now complete and ready to share with your students.